Hello everyone, it's Morkus Carpentry, and today I decided to make a video about the small decking you can see in the background. Basically, we'll go through all the pictures I have and I'll show you everything how it's done from start to finish. First of all, I want you to see how it's looking once it's completed. In these few pictures you can see how it was looking in the very beginning once we came to have a look at the project. All decking structure was made out of treated 6x2 timber. 100mm screws together with the wall plug was used to fix the timber to the concrete wall. Our remaining floor underneath is in really bad condition and has loads of cracks in it, and water could go through and make a big damage to foundation, so we had to do something about that. All we had to do is mix some concrete, spread all over the floor, making sure we have small groove that follows into the drainage so the water won't get stuck in any places. Once we completed the ground below, we finished up our framework. And after frame is done, decking is on as well. Here you will see few pictures of the details of actual decking. And couple last pictures will show you how does it look like once it's all completed. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed my video and see you next time.